Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to completely reset audio settings in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. Before go to this video, if you not subscribe this channel, then subscribe this channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our video. First, I go to the taskbar. On a taskbar, here we find audio. Click on this audio options. Here we find our audio. You can select audio from here. Here we find the settings. Click on this. Select the sound settings or the sound output. Click on the sound output and select your device. Select your device that you want to select. In this case, I select this LG monitor speaker device. You can select any device from the your list. Next option is we are going to change our settings. For change the settings, I go to the start and type settings and click on the settings. Our first option is system. Go to the system. In a system, scroll down and find sound. Click on the sound. In a sound, select your sound that you want, and after that scroll down and find volume mixer. Find the volume mixer. Click on the volume mixer. Here you find many options. If you go to here and change any options, if you change many options, then here we find many options. You can change any options. Then we can go to here. Here we find reset. Click on this reset and it's reset your all things. It's reset your all sound options from here. Okay, this is our option, first option. And after that, go to the once again go to the sound. Go to the sound after that. And scroll down and find all sound device. Select your device and go to here. Scroll down and find all sound device. Click on the all sound device. In all sound device, scroll down and select your device. Select your device. If this device has problem, select your device. In this case, I select my monitor speaker. I click on that. Click on the LG monitor. Select your speaker or audio device that has a problem. I click on that device, and after that, here we find check for a driver update. Check for a driver update, and it goes to the Windows update. After that, here we find check for updates. Wait for a few seconds. It's check for any updates is available for your device, and if any update is available, then install that updates and restart your machine. That also reset or solve your mini audio or the speaker problem. Here we find some installation. Select that installation and restart your machine. This is our option. After that, once again, after that, go to here, start. Go to the close this and go to the start. And this time type services. Click on the services. In a services, we find many options. Here find Windows Audio. Here find Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint. These two options are IMP Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Select the first option, right click on it, go to the properties and make sure startup type is automatic. If it's not automatic, then select automatic, and service status is running. If service status is not running, then start it and apply it and click on OK. Make sure running and automatic is IMP. Click on OK and right click on the Windows Update, Windows Audio, and click. After that, go to the Windows Audio Endpoint. Right click on it. Click on the properties. Same thing. Startup type is automatic. Make sure service status is running and make sure it is in running. And if it's not running, then click on the start and make sure service status is running. Click on OK. After that, go to the Windows Audio Endpoint. Right click on it and click on the restart. Click on the yes and restart your Windows Audio Endpoint Builder also. This is our simple way. Close it. And after that, this is not also working. Then I give the one option. Go to the start, settings. Click on the settings. In a settings, we find system. Go to the system. In a system, go to the sound. In a sound, scroll down and find more settings. Here we find more sound settings. Click on the more sound settings. Minimize it. Make sure center it. Here select your audio device that has a problem, or if you want to reset that audio device, go to that device. click on the properties, and after that here we find many options. Go to the advanced, and here we find restore default. Click on the restore default. Click on the restore defaults. It's restore your all settings. Click on the apply. Click on the OK. After that, once again go to these properties and go to the special sound and make sure it is off. Make sure it is off and click on restore defaults and click on the OK. After that, same thing with the recording. Go to the recording. In a recording, select your recording device, right click on it, click on the properties, go to the advanced and click on the restore defaults and restore your audio device and click on the OK. And last option is we are going to our sounds. Go to the sounds. Here we find sounds tab. Click on the sounds tab. In a sounds tab, in a sound scheme, we go to the here and make sure it is in Windows default. If it is in Node sounds or the Windows default, then go to the Windows default modified, then go to the Windows default, click on the apply, click on the OK and restart your machine. And after that, your all sound settings, all audio settings or the sound settings are reset, completely reset in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.